Hey guys, Chevron Cup Series here. Sorry, I did not, I got this package yesterday. Sorry I did not do a video. I know exactly what it is. I'm pretty sure I do. I haven't been feeling too well, so let's try opening it from the side. Boxes just, my gosh, they never open. Yay, exactly what I ordered. Paper. Jeff Gordon's Rainbow Warrior car. This paint scheme looks pretty cool. Well, so we have another paint scheme for Jeff Gordon. I'm ordering a few cars. I don't know when though, but I'll order them soon. But you will be seeing this car race at least once or twice this season. So yeah, this was an unboxing video of what I got. Sorry I did not do one for Carl Edwards and AJ Allmendinger when I got them. So I just decided to do one for getting Jeff Gordon. And that is all, guys. Oh, and expect the Texas race should be up. It should be up soon. I don't know when, but just soon. Goodbye.